The present situation is restricting us to go out shopping this Christmas. Still, we can solve the problem by shopping online this year. And trust me, there are lots of options available there which is beyond your imagination. Here, in this video, we are going to share some unconventional Christmas gift ideas within ₹1000 that you can easily purchase online. But if you wish, anytime you can go to a physical store and buy those products from there. Before I begin, I would like to mention that this is not a sponsored video and we are not paid to promote these products. These are purely our suggestions that we found interesting and useful. And here is our first suggestion, that is fairy lights. No matter you want to present this light to him or her, it is ideal for everybody who loves to decorate their home. These small LED bulb strings are affordable, last for years, easy to maintain, and after use it occupies just a tiny space in your cupboard. Moreover, you can have numerous options to choose from as battery operated, USB operated, number of bulbs present in a string, various length of the string. The options are unending and all you can get within few hundreds of rupees. Also, the bulbs come in different shapes and sizes. As you can see here, some are star shaped, some are heart shaped and some are round. Pick any one you like. You can purchase this online as well as from a physical store. If you want to purchase it online, then I will share a link in the description box, clicking on which you can purchase this item online. In this category, you can also get these LED photo clip light. This is also a good option for indoor decoration and the price is within ₹500 to ₹600. Next, we suggest terrarium candle holders. As you can see, these look elegant as well as gorgeous. Though it's a little bit costlier than the previous LED lights, but its elegant and gorgeous look is capable of compensating for the high price range. Give it to your near one who loves room decor and see how these candles lift their mood. Anytime you can get it online and I will share the link, clicking which you can buy this product in the description box below. So, now let me suggest something for your near one who is a busy professional and that too within budget. And here comes the first suggestion, which is a canvas organizer bag or a travel friendly nylon sling bag. Both the bag comes within ₹500 and it is ideal for a person who has to travel a lot. First, let's talk about this organizer bag. If you travel a lot, then you will understand how much space your toiletry occupies in your trolley bag. To minimize this space, this canvas organizer is ideal. It can accommodate all your toiletries within a small space and the bag fits well inside your luggage. You can also hang it inside your hotel room and can find your essentials faster. And the pocket pinch here is below ₹400. Great! If your friend is a tech guy, then this gadget organizer is ideal for him. It has multiple pockets that can hold all your small gadgets within this tiny space. This little zip pouch can hold all your small gadgets like an external hard drive, power bank, USB cables and charger. The price of it is also below ₹500. An excellent gift for your techie friend. Next is this sling bag. This looks stylish and you can accommodate all your essentials like wallet, smartphone, pen, journal, light makeup kits inside this one. The great point is that it suits both men and women. So, what else can we ask for at a price below ₹400? Just go for it and your loved one will be amazed. If you want to purchase it right now, just check the link in the description box below, click it and place the order. All the above things that we talked about till now are contemporary items. But nothing can be classier than an elegant wallet or pen. In every online shopping site or all physical store, you can get numerous good quality wallet and pen within different price range. Now you can also get a wallet combo that has one each for both men and women. Price can vary between 300 to 1000 rupees. We can't think about Christmas without cake and chocolate. Right now we have numerous online stores that deliver Christmas cakes to your doorstep. Also, in every online store you can get good quality chocolate hampers that you can give to your beloved. In this case also, price will be within 1000 to 1200 rupees, and I will share the online purchase links in the description box below. If you have some other great gift ideas, then please let us know in the comment section below. And hit the like button if this video solves some of your problems. Thanks for watching it.